premiere of the upcoming Avengers Doomsday?
Welcome to Doomstadt.
No, not Doomstadt. Memmingen. I'm Jan Rothenbacher, Lord Mayor of Memmingen in Bavaria, Germany. We just realized your vision of Doomstadt looks surprisingly familiar to us. We are incredibly honored. However, as a city of freedom, we rather look forward to freedom and democracy and not total control and dominance. And our Doombots are probably way too friendly. However, we would like to reach out with an invitation for you. Dear Marvel, wouldn't it be great for our town hall to host your Bavarian, maybe Latverian, premiere of the upcoming Avengers Doomsday? Our invitation stands. Welcome to Memmingen.
The friendly multiverse version of Latveria